Hello everyone and welcome to this video where I'm going to be sharing with you some of the best WordPress themes that you can use to create a website for business and finance related. So basically, if you are into consultation, investment, business, or you're a financial agency, you're an accountant, or you're a broker, if your kind of service fall into any of these categories, then the things I'm going to be sharing with you are things that will help you to create a website for the kind of service that you offer. Now, all the things I'm going to be sharing with you, they come with demos, and the demos will cut across different categories and different kind of service that I've mentioned. I mentioned consulting, investment, business, financial agency, accounting, and if you're also a broker. All right. So all the demos that these teams offer will make it easy for you to create your own kind of dedicated and professional looking website. All right. So if that interests you, do make sure you watch the video to the end. And if you are new to this channel or you are yet to subscribe to the channel, kindly take out time to click on that subscribe button right now to subscribe to the channel. All right, so we are waiting. If you are yet subscribed, go ahead right now, click on that subscribe button to subscribe to the channel. All right, so thank you very much if you have just done that. So with that, now let's go ahead and check out some of the best WordPress theme for a business or a finance related service. All right, so right here, the first one we have on our list is called InvectX. All right, again, all the links rather that I'm going to be mentioning in this video, you'll find the link in the description of this video so that you can easily gain access to them. And whichever one you decide to pick, when you come on the page, you're going to have a page like this, which will show you the name of the theme. Okay, you see the price, and then you see this option to add to cart. So whichever one you want to go with, so just go ahead and click on this add to cart. With that, you'll be prompted to either create an account or to log in. So if you don't have an account, just go ahead and sign up. It's pretty much easy. You can sign up with your email, or you can sign up with your social media account, maybe like Facebook, all right, and you'll be fine. So with that, you'll be able to purchase the theme, which will give you access to download the theme files that you are going to upload into your WordPress site to create your website, okay? All right, so with that being said, now let's go ahead and explore InvectX. So this is for consulting and investment theme. All right, so you can see here, this works with Elementor Page Builder. You can see Elementor logo right here, and it comes with some other AI options. So let me go ahead and show you some of this. Okay, so let's start with the demos. Okay, like I mentioned earlier, all of these themes comes with demos, which will make your WordPress website creation process easy. All right, basically demos are ready-made websites that you can just import into your site, and then your website is ready. So what you might just need to do is to change the text. All right, an example of that is what we are seeing here. This is a demo site for a business consultant. All right, and this is another one for a business analyst. So if you scroll down, we have for account. So this is a personal accountant. So if you're an accountant and you want to have a personal or a dedicated website, you can see there's a demo for you. So professional business analyst, okay, and then you can see accounting service. You already have legal, tax. If any of this service doesn't apply to you, you can easily update them or change them or add more to it, right? So if you want to, for example, this now, if you want to see all the pages and all the home page, what it looks like, and just click on it to open it up and check it out. But I won't be doing that in this video so that the video will not be longer than necessary, okay? So we also have a demo for financial advisor. Okay, so those are the demos that are available. Apart from the demo, it also comes with, you can see this theme comes with free AI support, and then you can see there's a video guide to walk you through. All right, a whole lot of AI options, create premium images with AI engine. And apart from that, these are some other benefits you're going to get. You're going to get premium plugins. You're going to be able to import the demo data. It comes with some video tutorial support, you can understand. And then, like I mentioned, it works with Elementor Page Builder, which is a drag and drop, very easy to work with. And then $100 worth of premium plugins, Elementor, MailChimp, Revolution Slider, and other advanced pop-up. And a whole lot of other, you can see the inner pages and a lot of sections have been made available to you. All right, so if this interests you, okay, so just go ahead and come over here and then just add it to cart. All right, so that's the first one, InvectX. So do make sure you check it out. So the next one is called Borrow. This is a loan company responsive WordPress theme. So if this fits the kind of service that you offer, so let me show you some of the features. And this is going for $59. All right, so for this now, let me show you the demos. So these are the demos for it. So this, if you are into credits service, so you can see credit score homepage. We have credit card company homepage. Then we have a demo for, these are other demos. All right, uh basically if it works across, cut across, and not only for loan or for borrowing, but if you are into finance generally, okay, you can see this is something for a bank kind of homepage, and different kind of so you can see there's a calculator page, EMI calculator, loan eligibility calculator. These are added features, all right, that you get when you are using this thing. All right, so if this fits what you want to achieve on your website, then just go ahead and purchase this theme. Okay, all right, so that's it on the second theme. Okay, and then now let's move to the next one. The third theme that I'm recommending is called finance. All right, so this right here is currently on sale. So instead of $69, you can get it for $41. All right, so this is a finance, accounting, and consulting WordPress theme. So if you're a financial consultant or maybe a tax consultant, these themes, this particular theme comes highly recommendable. Okay, over 1,000 sales so far. So let me show you some of the demos. All right, you can see view sample pages. So you can see there's a demo for a financial advisor, a tax consultant, and then a consulting company, brokerage firm, accounting service, angel investors, law office, business planning. So if you offer any of these services, you can see there's a demo for you. If you are a coaching associate, investment consultant, so you can see there's a demo for you. So once you open up the page, you're going to see the entire pages. That's if you want to work with the demo. But if you want to create something from the scratch, fine, you can still do that. But hey, you are getting a premium theme, so you should be able to get some awesome demo or pre-built websites. Okay, and these are the different demos that is available to you courtesy of this particular theme called finance. Right, so you can also choose a particular theme from all the things I'm going to be sharing with you. You can choose them either based on the demos that is available, based on the price, based on the layout, and based on other add-ons and functionality that the theme is offering. If it fits what you want to create, then go ahead. For example, if you want to create if you offer accounting service and you see that, okay, this particular demo fits the kind of website I want to have for my accounting service, you can go for it. We have a demo for a business plan. Okay, so you can see if you're into business plan or business coaching, you can see, and if you take a look at this and you see that it fits what you want to do, you can easily go for it. So it's pretty much easy and you get a lot for your money. Okay, so that is it on the third one called finance. All right, so you can also check it out. A link to that will be in the description of this video. So guys, if you are finding value in the video, please give the video a thumbs up. All right, so next on our list is called Fionka. I hope I pronounced that well. So this is a business and finance WordPress theme. This also works with Elementor Page Builder and it's coming for less, which is $27. So let's see. So for this now, it comes with different homepage layouts. So I think about 5 or 6 of them, and this right here is one of the homepage. All right, so you can see it here. So this is one of the homepage that you're going to be getting, like the demo sites you are going to be getting. So what you might just need to do is to update the information that is on the page to fit yours. A lot of dummy text, so you can just change it to yours. All right, and if you want to get content for your website, you can also take advantage of ChatGPT to get content for your website. All right, so for $27, you can also purchase this. All right, so the next on our list is called FinPart. So this is a theme for finance and consulting, right? And it works with Elementor Page Builder. So let me show you the features for this particular. Let's start with the demo. So you can see there is a demo for accounting, banking app, business, let's see, business consulting, cashback. You can see a whole lot of lists here. So if you scroll down, you're going to see them. So you can see business consulting, accounting, crypto AI assistant. So if you're into payroll, if you're into insurance, banking app, a whole lot. If you're into cashback, so there's a demo that you can actually work with. So it also comes with other, you can see header builder, footer builder, mega menu, a whole lot of other added features that you can see packed with other plus widgets and extension for Elementor Page Builder. All right, so these are some of the inner pages. Show you what the inner pages actually looks like. Okay, so this is FinParts. You can also check it out going for $59. Another financial theme that comes highly recommendable. So before we move to the next one, I want to share with you hosting. So if you're creating a website, definitely you are going to need hosting. So that's one of the requirements. You're going to need an hosting and a domain. And right here, I'm recommending Hostinja to you. You can see it here, get 75% off. Hostinja is going to be one of the best hosting platform that you can find on the internet. So I'll leave a link to it in the description. They are offering up to 73% off. So I'll leave a link to it in the description, like I said. So once you come over to this page, you can see there is an option to change your language. If English is not your first language, so just come over here and then you can change the size to whatever language that you are comfortable with. Okay, so once you are there, so just scroll down. Actually, there are 3 plans. There are 3 packages. We have the premium, we have the business, and then we have the cloud startup. All right. So if you scroll down, you're going to see the difference between all of those 3 packages. But the one that comes highly recommendable that I would recommend is the business plan. Okay, and remember, you're also going to get 73% off with the business plan. So if you scroll down, you're going to be seeing a difference like this. You can use it on up to 50 websites. This is 25. And in terms, now the major difference is the storage. Okay, you can see this is offering 20 gig SSD storage, while this is 50 gig NVMe storage, which is much more better than just ordinary SSD storage. Okay, all right. So once you are here, just go ahead and click on choose plan. So if you come here and select your 12 months, okay, 1 month might not be too okay, but remember, if you select in 1 month, you're not going to be getting a free domain. Okay, and I believe 12 months is okay for you to be sure that, okay, you want to keep the website. And like, since the hosting offers the opportunity for you to create as high as 50 websites, that means you can create as many, up to 50 websites using just your single business hosting plan. Okay, so right here you see your summary here. Now the actual price should be $207.94, but because of this discounts, you're going to be paying $59.88. So once you are here, go ahead and click on continue. All right, so once you click on the continue button, you'll be redirected to this screen where you have to create an account with Hostinja. Okay, so you enter in your email and then your password, and then you click on register. So once you click on register, you'll be redirected to this page where you are going to enter your billing address. Okay, so you enter your name, your country of residence, your phone number, all of this information, and then you click on continue. So after putting it in, then you can go ahead and make payments. Now, one thing I also like about it is that it has different payments method. So you can use your card. So you can make payments with your card, your Visa, your Discovery, your American Express, and your MasterCard. Then you can also, there's option of PayPal, there's Google Pay, there's Alipay, okay? And then you can also use Bitcoin, okay? There's also Pay, so depending on your, and then you might also have more payment option depending on where you're actually accessing the website from. And then you can see it here, the total here is just 59.88, okay? So once you are done, then you submit your payments, and then you'll be able to log into your dashboard then where you can continue with your website creation. So like I said, I'll leave the link to it in the description of this video so that you can take advantage of this 73% discount that Hostinja is currently offering. Apart from the discounts, hosting platform comes highly recommendable. Is that clear? All right. So guys, don't forget to check the description of this video for the link. All right. So now let's continue with our video. So welcome back, guys. So the next one on our list is called Broker. So this is Broker Business Financial WordPress theme. This has over 3,000 sales so far, and then 4.8 rating, which is very impressive. All right. In terms of pricing, it costs $59. All right. And then now let's check out some of the features for these. So if you scroll down, you're going to see it create anything in minutes. Right. So these are some of the demo. One-click demo import. So these are some of the demos. Like I can see there's different home page. I think about 6 of them. You can see, and more to come. So any of this home page will definitely work for the kind of website that you want to create, as long as it's related to brokerage. So maybe you're a broker or you're providing broker services, brokerage services. All right. So do check out Broker. So next one is accounting. This is business and consulting and finance. So this is another one. Okay, and it's also going for $59 with over 3,000 sales. That means at least 3,000 websites is making use of this theme. All right, so you too could be one of them. So let me show you the feature for this. Now let's start with the demo. I always like to start with the demo. So you can see this is one of the demo here. These are all the demos, all right, that is available to you. You can just click on any of them to open it up and see what they actually look like. All right. I can't do that. I can't be opening all the demo in the video. The video will be too long if I decide to do that. But you can just take your time to look at all the demo and see the one that best fits what you intend to do. All right. So away from that, the last one on our list is called Consultio. So this is for consulting corporate WordPress theme. And it has a very good number of sales, 5,000, over 5,000. And this is coming with 92 demos. I think this is the highest so far for this particular, out of all the themes I'm showing you, 92 demos. And it is out here ready. That means you can use the thing to create websites that are written from right to left, like Arabic and Hebrew. Okay, if they are not English speaking websites, you can make use of this thing. It works with Elementor Page Builder. It comes with Revolution Slider. That's to give you more design option. All right. And in terms of price, it costs $59. So let me show you some of the demos. All right. So this particular website now is one of the demo for this one. All right, for this one that I open up right here, which is accounting. So you can see I mistakenly clicked on it, but it has opened up. So you can imagine that this is your website. Okay, so you can see this will save you the stress of doing everything one after the other. So the only thing you might just need to do is to update the information. You can see maybe your working hours, your logo, a little thing about it, your contact, your phone number, and every other thing. Okay, so this is the other, this is the second demo site. All right. So you can see it here. It's at least it's looking presentable. Anyone that come on your website will know that, okay, this is a legit business. All right. So that's it for accounting. Now we are still on this last one, Consult You. I said, let me show you some of the features. All right. So this comes with some pre-built website, 92 of them. So you can see it. They had to categorize it based on business. There are different design for business coach, business consulting, for corporate, digital agency, finance, insurance, software startup. A whole lot of demos available to you. All right. So if you scroll down now, you can see them here. So this has a lot of sleek and professional design with a good effect. You can see this effect right here. Okay, so this will give you, if you purchase this now, you have access to all these demos. So you can just pick any one of them, import them, and update the information to fit the kind of service that you provide. Okay. So with that now, I've shared with you all the themes. Again, let me walk you through it again. We looked at Inventex, and then we look at Borrow, Finance, Yonka, FinParts, Broker. We look at accounting, and then we looked at Consult You. All right. So let me know what you think about all of this theme, and which of this theme are you actually going for? And what kind of website are you creating? Is it for consulting, investment, business, brokerage, accounting, or loan? All right. So let me know all of this in the comment section. So guys, I hope you find value in this video. Please, if you do, please give the video a thumbs up. And then don't forget, I'll leave a link to all the themes in the description of this video. Also a link to the hosting. If you want to take advantage of the hosting, 75% off, and you're going to get in a free domain. I'll leave all those links in the comment section of this video, and also in the description rather of this video. So guys, thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, leave them in the comment section. My name is Prosper, and I'll see you all in another video. Bye for now.